Hey guys, welcome to my video today. I am sharing with you 5 really cheap crock pot recipes. If you are trying to tighten up that grocery budget, I know a lot of people are, these 5 crock pot recipes are going to be perfect for you. They are easy and delicious. The whole family will love them. So I cannot wait to share them with you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. I love crock pot cooking. It is such a great way to stay on budget, to make big batches of food, and also a great way to save time and energy. If you're like me, we're super busy and I love dumping everything into the crock pot and having a really awesome dinner ready at the end of the day. And I love that they're super budget friendly as well. So let me show you these 5 really cheap and easy crock pot recipes. I know you're gonna love them. So this cheap and delicious crock pot meal is going to be a southwestern chicken. So I have 2 chicken breasts diced up. I have rotel tomatoes, black beans washed and drained, can of corn. I have some taco seasoning. You can use a packet of taco seasoning, or I have this big container because we do a lot of taco dishes. So it definitely saves money buying it in bulk because we use so much of this. So I'm gonna stir this around and then it is ready to go. It says so inexpensive. It's really affordable. It's really delicious. We do a lot of Southwestern style dishes in our house. We really like the flavors. So do what works for you and add some other ingredients if you'd like. If you want to top this with sour cream and cheese, go right ahead. So good. I'm going to be doing a lentil soup, and lentils are such a great way to get your protein in for really inexpensive. I used a bag of lentils and it was $1.50, and this makes a humongous pot of soup, and it is really, really hearty and filling. So I have all the veggies. I'm going to use a can of tomato salsa. This is a fire roasted tomato salsa, but you can use your favorite kind. A can of tomato sauce as well. I have some minced garlic. I always buy it already minced up in the jar. A can of corn that I will drain before I add it in. I have a can of kidney beans. And like I said, this is so hearty. I love it. It's really filling. A great comfort food in the wintertime, in the fall when it's colder out. I love soups. So this one is really, really great on that grocery budget. If you can substitute like a meatless Monday, not do meat on Mondays, that is such a great way to save some money at the grocery store. But this soup is great. It makes a giant batch, so you will have lots of leftovers. And like I said, it's so filling, so flavorful. You can add all your favorite seasonings into this also and customize it to your taste. So really, really yummy and really, really inexpensive. So lentils are such a great inexpensive source of protein. I'm going to be doing some frozen meatballs. I get this big giant bag. It really saves us at the grocery store because we go through a lot of frozen meatballs, and buying them in a bigger bag just saves some money. I have a can of cream of mushroom. I have some beef broth. And we just love Swedish meatballs. It's one of our favorite meatball recipes. Like I said, we do a lot of frozen meatballs, but this one's definitely on the top of the list. So I have my beef broth. I'm adding in my Worcestershire sauce as well. I just love the flavor of it. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And I'm going to add in a packet of brown gravy mix. This is just a really great way to give it some really awesome flavor and make a really good sauce for this. I'm going to make a side of noodles for this. I like egg noodles with our Swedish meatballs. So noodles are a really inexpensive thing to have to your dinner. I'm going to add in some cornstarch for this to thicken up this gravy so that it's even better with those egg noodles. So I'm going to add in my cornstarch. You can do 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then give this a little stir. So you can cook this on low for 6 to 7 hours, and it just makes these meatballs so tender and amazing flavor, just soaking these in this gravy all day. I love crock pot meals. They're so great, dump and go. When you are busy, you can dump this all in the morning and come home to a really awesome dinner. So there's nothing better than coming home to a great dinner after a long day and you didn't have to do much work at all. So I'm going to be doing some chicken fajitas. Like I mentioned, we love Southwest taco style recipes. So this one is a hit at our house and really inexpensive. So I have my chicken, I have my bell peppers, I have some onion, I'm gonna add in some olive oil. I'm gonna drizzle that olive oil on, and then we have some fajita seasoning as well. So I have this big jar of fajita seasoning because we go through it. You can use a packet of fajita seasoning, or you can use your favorite seasonings that you have in your pantry as well. Give this a toss and mix all of this around, and then this is ready to go. So you can cook this on low for 7 to 8 hours. You can cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours, whichever works for your timing. And this is so good. You can serve this on a tortilla, or you can serve this as rice and beans. Rice and beans are really inexpensive. We do a lot of rice and beans in our house because we love them, and I love how they are so great on the grocery budget. So I'm going to do a cheesy sausage and potatoes. So this smoked sausage is really good. It's super flavorful. My kids love it. I have a potato that I cut up into some small bite-sized pieces as well. I have onion, and this is a really great budget-friendly recipe, and it's so easy. You just dump it all in and go. I have this cheddar cheese condensed soup, and this is very good. It's really got a lot of flavor, and it's going to make this so creamy and yummy. I'm going to add in a cup of milk as well, and I'm going to give this a stir, kind of mix it up, mix up this cream of cheddar, and it's going to be ready to go. So super easy, dump and go, really affordable with the potato and the sausage. So this one is a huge hit and really, really great on the grocery budget. So it comes out so great, and it's a really, really good comfort food to put onto that rotation. So there it is, and it is absolutely amazing. I hope that these crockpot recipes were helpful for you if you're trying to really dial in that grocery budget. There's so many ways to make some inexpensive meals in the crockpot. So I hope that this helps. I hope this gives you some motivation to plan out your meals, to not overspend at the grocery store. If you plan everything out and you're organized for the week, you can stick to that budget. I guarantee you. So I hope that this helped. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions at all, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Lots of crockpot cooking, and like I said, it is so helpful to plan everything out, do a lot of crockpot dinners, and just really try and stick on that grocery budget. So make sure you subscribe for lots more crockpot cooking. I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.